once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're making a beautiful chicken salad. We've got some absolutely wonderful flavors going on in there. So easy, a lot of chopping, but delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start off by doing our chicken first. So breast chicken, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin, garlic, ginger. We're actually going to add a bit more ginger as well, and some soy, a little bit of soy sauce. First we're going to cook this off, and then while we're doing that, we're going to prepare all our lovely fresh crisp vegetables. So this is the only part that actually needs cooking. So in there I've got some oil, touch of sunflower oil. You could be using something else if you wanted. And I'm going to add my garlic and ginger. And our breast chicken. I'm going to hit this with a little bit of black pepper. And on a high heat, we're going to stir fry this around for about 4 minutes. Okay, so off goes the heat. And because I've cut that chicken really nice and thin, I know it's cooked really well. Now, just with the heat off, let's just get a little bit of soy in there. Throw that around. Okay, now we can set this aside now. And simply, we're going to chop our vegetables and give it a great mix, and it's pretty much done. Okay, so as you can see, we've got plenty of different vegetables here. There's our chicken, by the way, that we just cooked. That's ready to go. If it goes in warm or cold, that's no problem. So nicely shredded carrots, red cabbage, bell peppers, bean sprouts, white cabbage. I've got some fresh pineapple here, cilantro or coriander, fresh ginger, some optional fresh chili if you wanted, onions, green onions, excuse me, and then our dressing here. Equal parts of a toasted sesame seed oil and lime juice. You could be using lemon juice if you want. Really simply, this is all going to go into a mixing bowl and we're going to mix it up. Okay, so big container. I'm actually using this wok so you can see it clearly. There's my bean sprouts, which, you know, there's a lot of bean sprouts in this salad, what I like anyway. So there we go. White cabbage, bell peppers, red cabbage, carrots. You can see that I've cut this all really thin. We're going to go in with those green onions, scallions, whatever you may call them. That extra ginger. Remember we fried the chicken with garlic and ginger, but this extra stuff, it's beautiful to bite on. Optional red chili, but I think you kind of need it in there. Some raw onion. I'm using a red. That's cilantro or coriander. A little bit of fresh pineapple. We're then going to put in our chicken that we cooked earlier. We're then going to put our dressing. So this is equal parts of a lovely toasted sesame seed oil and lemon or lime juice. I'm using lime juice today. I'm not adding any salt to this, but I am going to hit it with a bit of black pepper. All we need to do now is give this a really nice mix. Just toss it around there and it's ready to go. Okay, and there we go. Absolutely delicious. Now what you can do, think about putting some crushed peanuts on the top or some dry fried garlic. Add a bit more chili if you wanted. Take away or add vegetables as you like, but I really love that mix. I think it's absolutely wonderful. Bit of sweet chili on the side maybe. It's an incredible salad. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we will see you soon. Lots of love.